we will discuss about the structure of the human ovum. So, we discuss about the topic is structure of human ovum. When this human ovum structure freshly examined in the liquid follicle, it was estimated that the diameter of this ovum is about 0.1 mm, or you can say nearly about in between 0.1 mm to 0.2 mm, and it is spherical in structure and haploid. Okay, so let us draw the diagram here. It is spherical in structure, okay, and haploid in chromosome number. And this structure of, let us label this one. This is called as what? Plasma membrane. In case of human ovum, the plasma membrane which is present, it is also called as or vitelline membrane. Okay, and inside the vitelline, this structure, there is a structures are there in fulfilled here, which is called as what? Egg plasm. Let us label them. Egg plasm. And inside that, it consider a eccentric nucleus is present. Okay, so you can say, let us label them, eccentric nucleus is present. Okay, eccentric means not just at the center, it is towards a little bit peripheral circle. See, when the human ovum is in the premature stage, the nucleus was there in the center position. But when it is undergoes mature stage, it will just move towards the periphery. That's why it is called as what? Eccentric nucleus. And the structure is there at the outermost side. Okay, this is called a non-cellular structure. Okay, non-cellular structure that is zona pellucida layer. Zona pellucida layer. Okay, see, in these diagrams, by the help of this diagram, we discussed that what? The ovary has germinal epithelial cells. From that germinal epithelial cells, see, epithelial cells means what? It is present mostly in the lining. So, this is present at the lining of the ovary. From that, one of the cell act as a germ cells to form the ovariums. So, it is called as what? Germinal epithelium cells. After that, the process will start, and I also discussed that this process you can remember easily by the clue word, that is go for green city, G for germinal epithelium, and again G for what? Gonium, oogonium. Then sites will form, primary oocytes, secondary oocytes. So go for green C, and T for oocytes. In this way we discussed about the formation of the ovum, and here also the structure is there. First primary follicles will form. Okay, means these one of that is act as a primary oocyte, other will form a follicular layer, granular cell, and these primary follicle divided into two cells, that is granular cells and theca cells and all. After that they will form the bulk mass of cell, that is called as zona pellucida layer. Then they will form the antrom and secondary oocytes, then the ova structure. Now we are discussing about the structure of the ova. See, the structure of ova contains this what? And this you can say, this is a nuclear membrane, that is also called as vitelline membrane, or you can say plasma membrane. And this is eccentric nucleus, okay? And inside that ectoplasm is there, or you can say also to this yolk cell, okay? And the outer membrane of the plasma membrane is called as non-cellular structure, that is called as zona pellucida layer. And other again one more part is there, that the structures are like this. Okay, these are structures present around the ova, that is called as what? Corona radiata. The structure is called corona radiata. Okay, because they are looking like a radiate shaped structure coming out from the zona pellucida layer and all. That's why it is called as what? Corona radiata. So this is the structure of the human egg cell. So when it is released from the ovary and reaches to the follicles, oviducts, okay, that time the structure of the human egg is examined in this way, okay. And one more discussion we can have here, that about the yolk cell, okay. Yolk cell is of two types, okay. Yolk which is present comprises into two parts, or consist of two parts, that is one cytoplasm and another one is called deutoplasm, okay. Deutoplasm. Yolk which is present inside the egg cell, okay, consists of two parts, cytoplasm and deutoplasm. Cytoplasm means what? As we here also discussed that, see, the primary oocyte divided into two, first meiotic division occurs. Most of the cell organelles going to the secondary oocytes, very few are consisted in the primary polar bodies or first polar bodies. After that, again the unequal distribution takes place of the cytoplasm, so that one large ovum can form and very small polar bodies can be formed. Why they are very small polar bodies are formed? Because there is no use of the polar bodies and they will slowly disintegrate. That's why wasting of the cytoplasmic organelle, it is an unequal distribution takes place here. Okay. So here the yolk which is present is mostly contained the cytoplasm and deutoplasm. What these all? Cytoplasm consists of cell organelles which are very much required for the further development, fertilization process and all. Okay, and deutoplasm is more nutritive in structure. Okay, nutritive in nature. Means more amount of nutrition is present. But here one thing you remember, that in case of human ova, the deutoplasm is very less compared to the other organisms. For example, birds have high amount of deutoplasm because of what? The further development, all the development of the embryo takes place by the help of the deutoplasm or the yolk which is present inside the cell or the inside the shell of the egg, right? But in case of human, there is no requirement of the supply of nourishment from the yolk only, because placenta which is formed, we will discuss in implantation structure and all. So placenta is there which the what mother can provide the nourishment to the baby for the embryo growth. Okay, so deutoplasm is very lessly present in case of human egg cell, but it is present highly in case of other organisms. For example, you can take in the example that birds. Birds contain deutoplasm more than the cytoplasm, but human organisms mostly contain what? Cytoplasm more than the deutoplasm. This is about the yolk. Okay. And next key points you can remember in this what? Human ovum structure, that plasm, here the egg cell, okay, comprises, or you can say comprises 3 layers. Okay, it is consists of 3 layers. The first one is what? Plasma membrane, right, which is formed by follicular secretions, or it is also called as what? Vitelline membrane. Second membrane is what? Second membrane is our zona pellucida layer. Okay, that you can say this is the primary membrane. Okay, primary membrane. Okay, example is your primary membrane is the plasma membrane, or you can say vitelline membrane. Okay, and next one is our secondary membrane. Example is zona pellucida, or you can say another one is your corona radiata. This is the second layer, which is formed again by the follicular secretions, right? Here you can see the follicles itself form a mast cell, that is called as zona pellucida layer. After that, the third one is your tertiary membrane. Okay, tertiary membrane is what? Here you can see the plasma membrane is there, the zona pellucida is there, and the corona radiata is there. In this, the tertiary membrane, you can see the which is formed outside of the primary oocytes. They are called as what? Tertiary membranes. So these are the 3 layers present in the egg cells. Okay, and one more thing also you can remember, that the nucleus which is present, this is the eccentric nucleus, which is also called as, other name is the germinal vesicle. If you will find out the word germinal vesicle, it is just an alternate name of the nucleus present inside the ovum structure. Okay, this is all about the human structure or human ova structure. In next video, we will discuss about the menstruation cycle and all.